Okay, hello everybody. Thanks for attending today's presentation. Today me and my partner gonna presentate about the project that we developed about the restaurant reservation website. So let's begin the presentation. We start about the system analysis. Okay, on the website created by the developer there are two parts, namely the admin section and also the customer section. In the admin section, there is a system for inserting updates and deletes for the menu table, and there is also a search system for searching the reservation table. In the customer section, there is a special menu list and also a system for making reservations, as well as a form to provide suggestions for the restaurant. So it's like usual things that happen near us in the restaurant order. Restaurant order are the hotel booking system, like that. Yeah, it's not that complex. Okay, the first one I'm gonna start with the introduction with the table. In the restaurant reservation, first we're gonna start with the index.php for the login phase, and it will be split to two sections. It's for the admin and for customer. If we Let's talk about the admin section first. We After the index.php, we will go through the admin php. we position we positioning us as the admin right now. This is the homepage for the admin, and there are the menu section after that, and you also can go to adding the menu by tambah.php and change the menu or adding something or delete in the ubah.php. Okay, and after that we completely go to the reservation session to review all of the reservation that has been input by the customer. Okay, that's for the admin section, and let's go to the right side of the section from index.php. As a customer, you will go through the customer.php. This is the home page for the customer, and we'll go to the about us section, menu section, reservation section, and contact us section. It's not the step by step, but it's the list of menu that you can choose by yourself. In about us, you will see about all the things that what we serve to you from the admin to the customer, and in the menu you can choose your menu from the menu table, and the reservation session is where you can book the menu or order the menu and or reserve it. And there are contact us session where you can contact us. It's simply like I think it looks like customer service. Okay, that's for the introduction. Okay, that's all from me, and the next part gonna be explained by Rizky Nugraha. For Rizky, you can continue.
Okay, now this is the display of the login, and then the first is I want to log in with the session of the customer. Okay, the username is customer, and then the password is customer 20. Okay, this is the alert. If the login is successful, welcome my customer. Then we click OK. Okay, now this is the display of the homepage of the customer.php. Okay, now we go to the about us, and the display will drop down into the about us. Okay, this is, and there are the information about the restaurant, and then also the location. And then we go to the menu. Okay, this is the display of the menu session. There are the 4 column: menu name, price, and the picture. Okay, this table is connect with the database, then the table name is menu. Then the next is reservation. This is the table of reservation. Okay, this is the ID customer, and I use the auto increment, and also the ID reservation auto increment, and these two column is only read only. Then this is the booking date, full name, NIC number, phone number, total person, and the total deposit. And this is the deposit for each person. Okay, the example I want to add in reserve at 26, and for the example my name is Nugraha Pradana. Then for example I just change this, and the phone number this, and total person, for example 5. And then there is the alert if we choose more than 4% at the time, we can continue the total deposit, and we click OK. And then if we input 4%, and total deposit will display, for example 1000 rupiah, and then we click the button for the make reservation. Okay, this is the alert if the reservation is successful. And then we click OK, and then this is the reservation. Okay, now we see the table. Okay, the first is the customer. Okay, the ID customer is successful input, the NIC, and the name customer, also the phone number. And how about the in table reserve? And this is the ID reserve, the date, ID customer, total person, and also the total deposit. Okay, we go back to the website, and we go to the contact us. Okay, this is the form of contact us. The customer can give the suggestion or criticism for the restaurant. For example, this is my name, and about the email address, and for example food is so good. Then we click this send button. Then there is an alert if the text is successful sent. And we click OK. And then we go to the localhost, and we see the table. The name table is Saran. Okay, this is the suggestion is successful, and this is the ID pesan, name pesan, email P, message P, successful. We go back to the YCX, then we go to logout to the index PHP, and this is the alert if the logout successful. Okay, now I will show you about the admin page. This is the username admin, and the password is admin01. Click enter, and this is the alert. Welcome to admin page. Okay, this is the admin page. This is the home page. and we go to the menu. This is the table of the menu. There is the name menu, price, picture, and action. Then I will show you about the add menu. Okay, this is the tambah.php. For example, I want to add a new pizza. For example, pizza 1, and the price is 100,000. And then this is the button for the choose the picture. And then for example, I will choose the picture, for example this. And then if we click at the menu, the photo will add into the new folder. And then we click, this is the alert, data berhasil ditambahkan. Okay, the data successful. There is pizza 1, 100,000 rupiah, and also the picture. How about the edit? Okay, we click now. For example, I want to change the price and also the picture. For example, I want to edit to the drink and also the name. And we click the update menu. And the data successful. Okay, this is the new data, electricity, and this is the price. And if we click, and then we go see to the database is menu. Okay, this is the ID menu, menu name, price, and the name of the picture will change into the new name. And then how about the delayed, I'm sure, and the data was deleted. Then this is the data was deleted. And how about the in the localhost or database, we can refresh, and also the data deleted. Okay, this is the data reservation. I use the inner join from the table reserve into the table customer. Then this is the ID reserve, booking date, customer, ID customer, customer name, phone, total person, and also the total deposit. Then for example, and this is the column for the search by name or date. For example, I will show you about the name is Jason. We click the button. Okay, this is the two names similar with the keyword Jason. There are two customers, Jason Raynold and also Jason Renty. Then we click it to refresh. And then how about the date? For the example, I want to input 26 like before. Okay, there is one customer at 26 January 2021. The name is Rizky Nugraha Pradana, and the column for the search is successful. Okay, we go to logout, and thank you, and that logout. Okay, that's enough from my group. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.